question says, to raise funds, a racing team sold t-shirts imprinted with a team's logo. The team paid their supplier a one-time setup fee of $100. Because they purchased at least 50 t-shirts, the team qualified for the supplier's quantity discount of X cents per t-shirt and paid A minus X over 100 times $10 for each of the N t-shirts they purchased. What is the value of X? Okay, before going into the statements, we need to understand here there is something going on about the sales operation. This racing team purchased some t-shirts, so it paid some cost, and then the racing team was going to sell the t-shirts at the same time in order to get some funds. So in every selling operation, these three basic variables relate to one another. The profit is the revenue minus the cost. What is the cost? According to the description, the cost consists of two parts. It is a setup fee of $100 and if they purchase at least 50 t-shirts, they would pay a special price with discount, which would be this one here. So plus that expression, 8 minus X over 100 times N, multiplied by N, which is the total number of t-shirts purchased. The revenue, and the profit. So we want to find this value here, X. According to statement 1, we are told that the number of t-shirts purchased was 200. The selling price was $12 per t-shirt. So we understand that the revenue was 200 times 12. And the profit is said to be $900. So if we input all these values into this equation, we get this 900 equals 200 times 12 minus 100 plus 8 minus X over 100 times 200, all of this multiplied by 200. And that would be it. But here we can see that the only variable that remains is X. So this is a linear equation with a single variable. We can calculate the value of X as a single value and that's it. It would be sufficient. What about statement 2? In addition to the 100 setup fee, the team paid $7 for each t-shirt. The quantity of money that the team paid for each t-shirt is clearly stated to be this value here. So if this is the amount paid by each t-shirt, statement 2 is saying that that value was exactly $7. So what do we have here? Well, we have an equation with two letters, two variables, so we can find the value of any of them. It could be anything. This is not sufficient. So the correct answer choice would be A.